Listen, so I literally just got a load alert saying that it's a load that pay $3.16 going from St. Louis to Cleveland, Texas. So I'm about to go hurry up and call on this load and see if I can book it right quick.
What's up, Lily Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay.
St. Louis? I don't know. But 9 a.m. would be safe, so.
Okay.
And phone number?
314.
Email.
It's 4 letters.
Would you be able to deliver on the weekend?
Yeah. When?
Okay. What's going on with that, Danny? Yeah, he can. And we'll reach out to you again on the Saturday thing.
Okay.
Yep, thanks, sir.
Thanks. Hey guys, so as y'all see, man, listen. That'd be an adrenaline rush. That'd be exciting. So y'all see, I just booked that load from St. Louis down to Cleveland, Texas, right by Houston area. Paid $2,300, delivering the next day. It's supposed to deliver Monday, but they trying to give me delivery Saturday, which I will. Not a problem. Not a problem. We're gonna go to Houston, deliver that, and I won't be too far from Laredo, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get something Monday that I can take over to Laredo, deliver that Tuesday, then get my usual load Tuesday out of Laredo to get me back to the house so that we can play it safe. But like I was trying to tell y'all, like, rates aren't good, but with Landstar, man, you keep your load alerts on, you in the right area, you gonna get those $2 to $3 mile loads that pop up like I just booked. So I'm super excited, super happy. Like I said, I made a decision yesterday. The last video, I was in Decatur, Alabama. I made a decision to go ahead and just deadhead 400 miles to the crib because I wasn't seeing nothing in the area, and I'm just like, man, I'd rather just go home and be at the crib, and if I don't get nothing, I don't get nothing. But, you know, just to play it safe, I might have that option, which I did have an option. I did lose some fuel, like 50 gallons in fuel or whatever, probably a little under 50 gallons of fuel coming home, but, you know, this load is kind of gonna make up for it in a sense of I didn't have a lot of options there, so I did what was best for my business, and that was to get home just in case I didn't find nothing at all. And luckily I found something to end the week. So the load I had in Decatur, Alabama, let me see that load. Hold on, y'all, I'm about to pull up the calculator and see. So that load that I had in Decatur, Alabama, which is still gonna be a bad week, was like $1,340 something, but we just gonna say $1,300. Plus this load was like $2,300, so that's like $3,600. So at least that's little fuel money, a little extra, probably like $500 or $600, $700, $800. I don't know, nothing. But it's better than nothing at all. And I got to be home, so I don't know, man. We trying to make the best of it. So this vlog is gonna continue on the next clip, which will be in the morning, me going to pick up that load and us going from there. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next clip. Rolly.
The next morning.
Alright, Rolly Gang family, we just made it back to our truck. It's raining here, man, on Friday morning in St. Louis, Missouri. So I'm about to let my truck run for like 30 minutes because it was sitting all yesterday. It's cold here now. Then I'm gonna do my pre-trip in between that, and then we're gonna head over to our pickup. It's somewhere in St. Louis, and we're gonna take that load down to Texas. So I'm probably not gonna leave to go to Houston until Sunday. Probably leave out of here Sunday. I'm gonna stay here the rest of Friday, the rest of Saturday and leave out of here Sunday. Unless something pops up between now and when I go pick up that load. If something pop up that way, I can get there Saturday, get a fresh reset, and then just deliver that load on Monday, because I'll be right in that area. Because if not, either way, I'm still gonna be like 100 miles away from the delivery. So we'll see. I don't know, but let me let this truck run, get my pre-trip done, and catch y'all when we start rolling. Okay. So yeah, I forgot, man. I forgot I need to blow my trailer out. See, I've been sitting at home for like a day and a half until we lucked up on that load yesterday. So I'm about to get in here and blow my trailer out right quick. See, it ain't too bad. It ain't too bad, but I'm gonna keep reminding y'all, man. Get you a blower, electric blower. You can literally just charge it up in your truck. Get the extra part, because I know we all got TVs, microwaves, and all that. Get you this blower. Forget the broom. This works faster and way better, as y'all can see. After a couple wrong turns, that's the place that we gotta go to down there. I gotta see where I gotta check in at, because there's literally no space around here at all. They got one dude getting loaded already, which should have been me, but I didn't know that I was supposed to make that left. There wasn't no space, so I had to actually go back around to the highway, go under a bridge, come through, cut through some, it's like, man, but, ooh, I'm sorry. When we made it here, about to go check in, see what I gotta do to try to get loaded, and go from there. Rolling. Alright, so basically I gotta set myself up where only way to get in down there, into that door down there, is if I gotta try to swing my truck around somehow, get lined up going down that way, and then back into the truck down there. So once that truck moves, that's what I gotta do. But right now we about to just open our doors right quick. I don't even know how. Let me see. To see, so I'm gonna have to see if that dude back there can bag back. Then I'm gonna have to swing my truck wide, come around, and then shoot it in there, and we should be good. That's how I'm looking at it. I'm gonna probably just go ahead and try to start doing it right now. A Houston to Laredo load. I mean, not Houston to Laredo, but Houston load popped up. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Load alerts, guys. This ain't nothing I want, though. I'm not trying to go to Albuquerque, New Mexico. They got a Baytown and Sugarland. Let me see, man. I'm trying to see what they got down in Laredo for Tuesday. But I ain't really been seeing too much. They got a Laredo to Georgia. delivering at 6 a.m. on Tuesday. No, Wednesday. Yeah, freight slow everywhere, man. Well, let me open these doors and try to get myself lined up so I can back in down there. I'm gonna catch y'all once we get in the door. Rolling. We got ourselves set up. I kind of got stuck right here, man, in this dirt and stuff though. My tires are spinning out, but the truck is there. All we got to do is bag down there once he get out that door. So about to just sit here, continue to look out my mirrors, make sure he pull out so I can get in, get loaded right quick, and then head back to the crib. It honestly shouldn't take him that long. And I'm just about to keep looking and looking and looking, man. I'm trying to, it's hard, man. Houston ain't a bad area. Well, I don't know. I don't really go to Houston, but I'm seeing lows pop up for like 2 or 3 hours an hour, but it's going to, I think everything is going to like Cali, Nevada, places where ain't gonna be no freight coming out. So we really trying to just, I'm taking the lows as they come, you know, like, for me, it's like cool. If I get to Houston, I don't mind deadheading 200 or 300 miles over to Laredo. If it's the load in Laredo that get me home. You know what I'm saying? So I'm only trying to go to places that'll get me closer to the crib if I have to deadhead home. That's my goal right now, to constantly do that over and over and over again until this get better. Like, we don't know how long it's gonna get better. I mean, we don't know how long until this get better. We don't really know nothing, man, but all we doing is the best that we possibly can do, man. Still trying to truck along, still trying to make us some money. But so yeah, once he get out of there, we'll go ahead back into that door and get loaded, and then we're gonna keep going from there. Rolling.
I get the top copy.
All right, Roller Gang family, y'all see we just got done getting our paperwork. I need to go actually weigh this to see how much it weigh. It's a hazmat load, it's totes. I'm about to go, I'm about to put my placards on and then go weigh this ASAP to make sure that we legal. I'm putting the seal on now. We still don't have, at this current time, it's 9:14 on Friday. We currently don't have a load for Monday yet, but I'm still being optimistic. We gonna see what comes about, but hold on, y'all. Almost forgot. We gotta put on our big boy lock, man. This is the Landstar Warlock lock. I don't no issues ever again. So definitely about to put this mug on right quick. Oh, that ain't the right range. Gotta put it on. Oh shit. Jeez, boy. I'll get right back to y'all. But no, listen, hold on. We gonna end the vlog off here. I'm about to get this. I gotta bend this thing back right here. I'm about to end this vlog off right here. This load don't be delivered till Monday. We're looking for another load. So like, share, subscribe.